Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're driving our Oldsmobile 88. Pretty cool car. I love these old cars, that big old steering wheel. This one we got to maybe do a little work on the fuel gauge, and obviously the speedometer is inop. So I think also the heater fan wasn't working. So, but the radio does. Pretty cool. Pretty neat old car, nice driver quality paint on it, something you can take to a smaller show, but definitely nice enough and presentable to go to coffee and cars, or just go cruising on cruise night with the car club, or take the wife out for supper, or I don't know, take the husband out for supper. Sometimes the wife might want this car. So, neat old car. These are just cool. They got the Olds Rocket in V8 in it. And there's not as many Oldses running around as there is Chevys, so they're a little more unique. But very nice car, very nice driving car. So if you're looking for something cool from the 50s, it's kind of easy on the pocketbook. Way cheaper than the Chevy or even the Buick. So nice, affordable way to get into a 50s classic. Any questions? 605-695-7391.